الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. In the name of Allah, most merciful, thanks are due to him and peace and blessings be upon his beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Something came to my mind. I was thinking just a few minutes ago. Do we have the concept of retirement in Islam? So I was thinking, reflecting upon the concept of retirement. For many people, you might be asked, hey, do you have a retirement plan? What is the retirement plan? You start paying a certain amount of money out of your work, your efforts, savings, maybe for 30 years, 40 years. When you are retired at the age of 60 or 65 or whatever, they start paying you back when you are sitting maybe alone. You might benefit for 1 year or 2 years, 10 years. However, sometimes you might not even benefit from it even for a few months. You leave, they are benefited from the money. So I want to remind myself, I want to remind myself with two quick messages. First of all, as Muslims, the concept of retirements in this way should not exist in our mind. We will not be retired until we leave this life. Up to the moment of the soul is leaving our bodies, we should not be retired. Because the Muslim has other drivers which motivates him, such as al-amru bil-ma'ruf wal-nahyu an-al-munkar, which means enjoining the good, forbidding the evil. لا تزول قدم عبد يوم القيامة حتى يسأل عن أربع. None of us will be removed from final place, before his final destination in the day of judgment, but will be asked about four main things: his body, his money, his knowledge, his time. So as long as there is a breath that I'm breathing and I have any kind of power or ability, I might, maybe I don't have a physical power, but I have a strong networking. I have authority. I have some kind of power that I can push some certain things. I can pay, I can use my money. So the concept of I just retired, it should not exist in our Islam in the Mawla Azza wa Jal. So let's look now to make another analogy now. How, inshallah, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not to be losers. Let's come back to the concept of retirement. What is the concept of retirement? You make savings to when you are retired to feel some kind of comfort. Something will be taking care of you because you are desperately in need for help. You start paying, I heard, sometimes at the age of 30, up to 65, 35 years. And maybe I will benefit maybe 2 or 5 years. Actually, we do have our own concept of retirement. But unlike the worldly one, we make savings for the other house. We have the worldly house, Dar Dunya, and we have what? Dar Al-Akhirah, the hereafter. We do have retirement plan, which is much more powerful and beneficial than ours. Ours is limited to the time that I'm still living. And by the way, most of the retired people, if they became sick for whatever reason, the retirement plan basically will be just covering them in food, medicine, and sitting somewhere, and someone might be taking care of them in a very limited situation. But there is no true happiness. Our retirement plan basically, إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا. So we paid what? استقامة, steadfast in the right way. تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا. So the action plan, the fulfillment of our retirement plan starts by the very moment of when we pass away. تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة. You are welcomed by the malaika. By the commandment of Allah, they will be welcoming you when you leave this dunya, welcoming from 0 point up to final destination when we, inshallah, get into the paradise. So it's good to review the concept of retirement. In this dunya, no retirement. We have another way of retirement, which is make savings for the akhirah. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala an yarhamana bi rahmatih. Just final joke just came to my mind a few seconds ago. In Jordan, some people who have the sense of humor, they make a joke. In Arabic, we say retired mutaqa'id. They say it means mutqa'id, which means die while you are standing. So let's change the concept completely. No stopping for whatever. We keep doing the good, doing the khair, amr bil ma'ruf, nahi al munkar, till we are retired, till we leave. Then, inshallah, we will find the true happiness. بإذن الله عز وجل. السلام عليكم.